Alright, consider this biology question. In the life history of Schistosoma bilharzia, one of the following is an intermediate host. A. Man. B. Snail. C. Mosquito larva. D. Crayfish. And E. Fish. The correct answer to this is snail. So let me explain. Now, what do we call Schistosoma, which is also called bilharzia? This is a type of worm called the blood fluke. Blood fluke. So it belongs to the phylum of invertebrates called the platyhelminths. Platyhelminths. So these are known as the flatworm. So this is different from the roundworm and the earthworm. So this is flatworm. So that's what they call liver fluke. And as you can see, this flatworm it has a very complex life cycle because it requires two important hosts for it to survive. It cannot just form, and just develop like that. It requires to live inside two different organisms. The first one is known as the intermediate host. The intermediate host. So this is usually a snail. So, especially those snails that belong to the genus of snail called Bulinus, so or Biomphallaria. So those are the type of snail it targets. So inside the snail, that is where the worm will complete its larva stage. So that's where it will complete its larva. Its larva stage means the young stage. That is the young stage. That's where it completes. So inside that, it reproduces asexually inside the snail to develop into several other larvae. So those larvae are usually called Myracidium. So they are usually called Myracidium. So now from there, this Myracidium are the larva stage. So after that, this flatworm will find its way out of the snail to become a swimming larva. That swimming larva is known as Carcharia. Carcharia. So this is the Carcharia. This is the plural form as Carcharia. So this is the swimming larva. They will swim in water to find their way into the body of a human through contact. So human being is now known as the primary host or the definitive host. So man is the primary host for this flatworm. So inside a man, when they find their way into the body of a human being, that's where they complete their adult stage. Don't forget I said inside the snail, that's where they develop into a larva. So, and they reproduce asexually to give rise to many other larvae, so which are known as Myracidium. So then they develop into swimming larvae, so which is Carcharia. So that's where they swim into the body of a human being through contact to develop into adult stage. So when they now develop into adult stage, this is where they reproduce sexually by laying egg. They reproduce sexually by laying egg. So to multiply. So that is why the correct answer to this is snail. Assuming the question asks for the definitive host or the primary host, we'll go for man. But the correct answer to this is B. Thank you.